everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make cake mix cookies. The things that you'll be needing are 2 eggs, some chocolate chips, any cake mix of your preference, half a cup of oil, some Sunday fudge sauce, a bowl to mix in, a stand mixer, or you can mix it by hand. First thing you want to do is add in your cake mix. Add in your 2 eggs. Now mix that in your mixer. Now slowly add in your oil. The chips. Only put a little bit and then start mixing. Now you can add in some fudge. I'm going to add this by not mixing it, I'm going to fold in. After you've mixed that in, you're going to use some butter on your hands and mold in your cookies. And then I have here placed a pan with some butter on it, and then I'm going to place the cookies and put them in the oven for 350 degrees. This is how the cookies look like. Now you can put them in the oven for about 15 minutes on 350 degrees. You can always add more chocolate chips or any fudge swirl if you want to, but this is how we're gonna make our cookies. This is how the cookies look like after they came out of the oven. They're so perfect. Just let them set for a little bit and then they can easily pop off the tray. Just like that. They're so soft, easy to eat, perfect. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.